I've been waiting for AirPods for Android phones for a really long time now, and sadly the Pixel Buds didn't live up to my expectations. But it seems like no one's better than Huawei to come in and make an Apple competitor. Here at IFA 2019, the company is unveiling the FreeBuds 3. These are noise-canceling earbuds that aren't in ears. So for those of us, or those of you like me, who really don't like the fact that some in-ear buds can stick into your ear canal, these might be the ones for you. One of the standout features of the FreeBuds 3 is the fact that they're active noise cancelling in this kind of form factor. But that didn't seem to work the same way for everyone. I mean, for me, when I put these on, I did notice a very obvious difference between when noise cancellation was on and when it was off. But for my colleague Matt Smith, who obviously has different ears, he couldn't notice the difference as clearly as I did until we set him up with a pair that the Huawei executive here was using, and we tweaked the noise cancellation profile by pulling a knob on a dial, after which he was then able to notice a difference. So the executive told us that this is also something you could do in a different environment. For example, say you're in an airplane and need the noise cancellation to work a little bit differently. We're not quite sure how this actually works yet, and we'll have to put it to the test when we get one of these in to try out for ourselves. But so far it seems very unique. We haven't seen this on any other earbuds just yet. Obviously, as AirPod competitors, these look very similar. I mean, there's a little bit of style differences here. There's a more angular shape to the buds. The carrying case is a full circle, and they're a lot glossier. In fact, they're supposed to look like women's compact cases for some reason, but they're very nice to hold, and the charging case will get you up to 15 hours of playback if your buds are in them, but when you remove them from the case, you have 4 hours of music streaming time. So that's not the longest. In fact, average earbuds last about 6 hours, but maybe something about the noise cancellation is affecting the runtime here. The FreeBuds 3 are also the first wearables to use Huawei's new A1 wearable chipset. This is compatible with Bluetooth 5.1 and Bluetooth Low Energy 5.1 technologies that are supposed to minimize interference. And when paired with a compatible handset, like a Huawei device, for example, they'll be able to stream the music out through 2 channels instead of just going through one to one bud and then using that bud to stream the audio to the other. The chip is also supposed to enable low latency music streaming, so you won't notice as much of a lag, for example, as compared to other devices. Like most wireless earbuds, these can be controlled via touch sensors on the buds themselves. You double tap on the right bud to skip tracks and double tap on the left one to activate or disable noise cancellation. You can also customize what these do via an app on your phone. Now, I only listened to about 3 songs that they were playing here at the demo, and one of them was a Huawei theme song, but it did sound very nice coming through these FreeBuds 3. I can't compare it directly to, say, AirPods because I've never really tried them out for myself, but I like the way they sounded. A Huawei executive told me that these will be available around next month. They haven't determined the price yet, but it will be cheaper, at least slightly, than the AirPods. Also, no word yet on whether they'll be coming to the US. Fingers crossed they will, but given what's going on between the 2 countries right now, I'm not gonna keep my hopes up. But if you're in Europe though, they should come out pretty soon. For more news out of IFA 2019, stay tuned to Engadget.com.